Hello.
Hi.
Payback. Alright, Blueford.
Okay, Cecil.
That probably looked terrible.
Leroy Jenkins.
I whacked you. Hard. Branson's never had this. I think I may have a long time ago. It's
Hamburger Helper.
Cheeseburger Macaroni. Hamburger Helpless. Hamburger God Help Us.
Really good.
Here. Lift it. Lift it.
Oh.
The microphone will probably pick up these hard bowls smacking if we keep picking them up and setting them down.
I set down my drink roll. Well, I'm gonna eat it like this.
That's not bad.
It's really not. I can actually eat this. And usually I can't eat Hamburger Helper stuff because it just don't taste right. Ain't nobody got time for that.
Gonna pour me some Raging Grape.
Ain't nobody got time for that. I said, ain't nobody got time for that.
Ain't nobody got time for that foolishness.
You don't even know what it is.
I don't.
Actually, I don't even know that much what it is. I just have a friend that says all kinds of memes. Like, Leroy Jenkins, and ain't nobody got time for that.
The most famous meme? I'll be back. Stick around.
I think actually,
Get to the chopper.
I think Whip Nene might have beat it. I think I did that dab wrong, I'm not sure. It's hard to dab.
Poor old Nene.
Okay. He's going back to old memories when I tried to do the whip. That's not even how it goes. It goes like... And then you like shake your hands and step back. What I did is whip.
Don't hit that drink. And don't punch me in the face.
Doing that dab wrong, aren't I? Tell me if I'm doing the dab wrong. I believe I am.
Don't know. I got a sneeze coming on.
I can't remember the football player's name. I just know a football player started the dab.
Stop.
I'm doing it
Please,
wrong.
stop.
I can't move my arm far enough back, so that's why I'm
You're
doing
too
it.
close to me to do that.
I know. I can do it perfect. I just have to be in the right spot.
It's freaking me out.
What about this? Is that freaking you out?
Yeah, you keep punching near the glass, it does. You know I'm a nervous Nelly.
Mm-hmm. Why is there a bunch of red stuff on, like...
I think that's part of the cheese powder flavor. Didn't quite mix. It's a little thick there, that's all. Maybe it'll be a burst of cheesy flavor. I've forgotten. The dryer's running in the background. Sorry.
I don't think they can hear it.
Probably
it's not loud enough.
Yeah, it's really no louder from there than I left the air conditioner on because it is
Get that fan on.
flipping cold. Huh. I did forget to cut that light on. Oh, wrong one.
We're sorry.
We are not professionals.
No, I think we are in some ways.
I've not made a penny from Google, so I am still an amateur.
We have not made any Google AdSense. I know everyone now is going to be putting in the comments, "Oh, you guys are doing this for us money."
Right.
Doing this.
I'm going to criticize you a minute, but a lot of people say stuff like that, oh, somebody's going to say, about the only thing someone says in the video is, like, something positive, nice. We have people that chime in quite a bit, and I love that. Which reminds me, if you use Google, then you have Google Plus. Go to Google Plus. It makes it real easy. Go to the newer version of Google Plus. And probably on the left-hand side, you have communities. Click on communities and type in Mukbang Central. I'm the only member. It's not closed. It's not invite only. I started that place so if someone wants to chat or have a discussion about certain things, I feel that that's a forum where I can elaborate. I'm not going to elaborate too much in comments under a video. Like, what kind of gear do you use? It could be anything, It's a place for, I think, people that's just interested in mukbangs to people who are making videos on YouTube.
I was about to say, or like people who make them.
Right, or plan to make videos.
And some people who plan to might want to know our gear so they know what they should have.
Yeah, what editing software, microphones, lighting, anything it could be.
I will say this though. There's some things where people will say a couple words that explain something easy. This is a couple words to help explain how to do a mukbang. Do mukbangs.
It's like,
here's the explanation for mukbangs. All you need: a phone with a camera, food, and a YouTube account. That's if you don't want to make like top-notch videos.
I may be able to give you some advice, because I've bought stuff and don't use it. Might save you some money. There's one thing about the DSLR cameras, which I'm using right now. Terrible microphones on it. That camera's at least 10 feet away from us. That little old microphone wouldn't pick up anyway. And it doesn't even really pick up good if you're close. They're just not good. So then you're in search of a way around that so you can have good audio.
Excuse the pouring.
No, that sounds good. ASMR. Listen to me pour.
So today we're gonna be doing a sizzle video.
Slurp it. I didn't say inhale it.
I don't know how to slurp.
Like this. Yeah, like that. But anyway, Mukbang Central, Google Plus. I love Google Plus. That is the perfect forum for communities and discussions versus Facebook or any of the others, I believe.
He believes.
If you haven't really checked out Google Plus, I advise you to.
I'm done.
No, you're not.
Yes, I am.
Talk about our trip to Sweet Chicken today.
Oh, Sweet Frog.
Yeah.
Stop calling it sweet chicken. That just sounds weirder every time.
It's frozen yogurt.
We went to Sweet Frog, and I forgot. I haven't gone there in a very long time, and I forgot not to get a lot of ice cream since their ice cream is really, really thick. And since they tell you how much it is by the pound and how much it weighs, that's why they made their ice cream really, really thick. And it comes out in huge quantities. Most of their ice cream is really heavy, so.
You pick up a big, giant styrofoam bowl, and then you go over and you can get your own, and he filled it with ice cream.
Yeah, that's what I was talking about. I forgot that they don't it's not so heavy. So I filled it to the top with ice cream. I put a brownie on it, a bunch of chocolate chips, a bunch of hot fudge, which is real heavy. All their stuff, I think they make it to be heavy, just so you pay more. You spend like $12 on 2 frozen yogurts.
Right. I actually made mine a bit bigger than I thought.
I made mine huge. I like drenched it and stuff, and it was really good. But I barely halfway finished it. I halfway finished it, but barely.
I finished mine.
And we were stuffed.
And you only ate half of yours. So next time you go, put about half that much in there.
Yeah, half that much.
And you'll be satisfied.
And then put like a brownie and a bit of hot fudge in there.
Well, I don't.
Extra stuff. I also put M&Ms and chocolate chips. And they're now serving little Hershey pieces that have nuts in them. They actually tasted pretty good, but they were really hard. All their stuff was really hard, and it was kind of hard to eat it. Because usually when you think of ice cream, you think of it soft, instead of it being so hard. Crunchy.
You are correct, sir.
What was that sound?
Nothing. I was just being stupid. That was a big bowl. Typically, I'll be like finishing your leftovers and stuff, but I actually don't want that. That was a big bowl. I'm full. There's not actually a lot left in that pan. Because I made 2 big... I put that in there, and then I'll put some Tupperware. And I'll be set for another meal. But it won't be worth making a mukbang over. Sometimes I feel bad now when I eat and I don't have a camera on. I'm like, I just lost a potential, show. Anywho, Blueford. So, thumbs up or down for cheeseburger macaroni? Halfway up. It was,
Well, I'll kind of a little bit higher.
I think that's about a 6. 6 out of 10?
Yep.
Alright.
Actually, it's more like 6.5 out of 10.
I think I'm about the same with you. I mean, I actually like the stroganoff better. That was alright. I mean, if it's something you'll eat. Okay. Well, that was it.
Well, Clint Eastwood and me, Leroy Jenkins, we're gonna get out of here. So, like, subscribe, check out the Google Plus thing that he was talking about that I know nothing about.
Mukbang Central. I'm the only person that's joined because I made it like 2 days ago.
Maybe we can get if we get 1,000 people on it, that'd be awesome.
I mean, you start a discussion. It's like a thread. You start a discussion, and then another person can chime in, another person can...
If we can get 1,000 people, that'd be awesome.
All right.
We talk about it on every video, and hopefully 1,000 people.
So I think the mukbang community is can be a community. You know what I mean? People that like it. All right. So until next time.
Bye.
Goodbye. Blueford.
Cecil. Leroy Jenkins. Clint Eastwood. Burp.
Cletus.